First off, I have this avocado Gadget. It slices it with this, it pits it, and then you can slice it with this thing.
I'm literally just using a knife because I don't need a child's toy to open an avocado. Wow. To test it, we're going to see who can cut 3 avocados the fastest.
Really, what do you do when you get to the end?
Oh God. Done.
Okay, well, a little behind. The cutting part was easy, taking the pit out was easy, but as you can see, the slicing part is not easy nor pretty. Up next, we are hard boiling some eggs, and I am using this rapid egg cooker.
And I'm just using a good old pot of boiling water.
So to use this little guy, you have to first fill it up with the amount of water that you want. So we want hard-boiled eggs, so I filled it up to the top. Pour the water in there, but a key step is making sure that you put little tiny holes in the top of the egg, and there's a little puncher on the bottom.
Oh my God, the fire alarm.
They both made good eggs, but I think this has a built-in timer. You literally put the eggs on and don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, and I think, like, considering the time you have to wait to boil water, this actually would be faster. So I think for this round, Kayla, you won.
Next, we're going to be taking corn off of the cob, and I have this corn stripper, which is going to just literally take the corn off.
So I'm going to be using this carry knife, and I'm going to be making 4 cuts to take the corn off instead of using that mouse.
Oh my.
Done.
I struggled, and I think part of the reason why was this wasn't as sharp as I thought it was going to be. And a lot of it was falling out on the cutting boards. So yeah, that one just didn't work for me. I am using earth scissors.
And shocker, I am using this knife. 1, 2, 3. Done. So for the scissors round, I think it's actually a tie. Kayla won with the green onions.
Wait. Can you say that one more time?
Kayla won, and I think I won with the parsley.
I am going to use this microwave pasta boat. To use this microwave pasta boat, you first want to measure out your pasta, and they have this cool thing. The handle that measures 2 serving sizes of pasta. I filled it up to the 2 mark because I have 2 serving sizes. Ta-da!
It's not bad. It's actually like really, it's cooked really well. It's
like, really?
It's not overcooked.
It cooked all the way through.
Yeah, and it's like al dente. Like, I'd prefer to eat this one.
Yeah. All right, pasta boat, who knew?
Yeah. I guess that means we tied today.
We tied. I honestly thought I was gonna lose.
I honestly thought I was gonna win.